Your A over C sharp slash chord just looks like this. You're going to play a regular A major chord with finger 1 holding down strings 2, 3, and 4 on the 2nd fret. It's just a standard A major. Then you're going to take finger 4 and go to all the way over to fret 4, strings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to play strings 5 down. A major, C sharp. Here's an A2 over C sharp chord. We're going to play an A2 a little bit differently. Play an A2 like this. Strumming 5 down. We're going to take finger 4 and go all the way over to fret 4, string 5. It's a pretty sounding chord. It's A2 over C sharp slash chord.